What's the meaning of bullheadedness? Bullheadedness. Bullheadedness.
Bullheadedness. Bullheadedness. The term bullheadedness refers to a stubborn and obstinate behavior in individuals who refuse to change their views, beliefs, or decisions despite compelling contrary evidence or logical reasoning. Such a trait can lead to various negative outcomes in personal and professional relationships, as it hinders the ability to compromise, collaborate, and adapt to changing circumstances. Bullheaded persons often engage in arguments, conflicts, and confrontations with others, leading to breakdowns in communication, trust, and respect. Furthermore, their inability to acknowledge mistakes or seek feedback can limit their personal growth, learning, and overall effectiveness in achieving their goals.